Guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video we'll be replacing the cabin filter for the Hyundai. It's a Hyundai Tucson 2017. This filter can be used in a 2016 to a 2020 model, so easy process. So first thing would be you need to open up the and then you need to take out most of that stuff. And then for you to get to the filter, you need to pull this part out. Yeah, and then on the other side,
all right,
you need to twist this. You need to twist it exactly. Yeah. And then on this other side, there's another one. You need to twist that. Yeah. Then you can have this all the way out. The filter is over here. This is the filter. So to reach the filter, so you need to take it out, this one.
The top one?
Yes. So for you to get to the filter, you need to take this plastic out. So you need to pinch the left side. There's some 2 slots on the left that you need to pinch. I don't know if the light is enough. So you need to pinch those 2. You need to pinch these 2 so you can take this part out. Yeah, pull it out, and there you have the filter. You can just take it out. You can see it's not looking great, but it's not also bad. So we have the old filter out, and the airflow should be upwards, facing upwards. Right?
Yeah.
Do you need me to be doing this?
No, I can do it. Okay, I'm gonna put it in now.
Yeah. So push it in, all the way in. Make sure it's all the way inside.
It is.
And then, yeah, start with the right side, and then just push it in. Make sure the right side is all the way inside. Yep. Make sure that side. Yes, exactly. Yep. So push it in until you hear that click.
Yeah.
And then there you have it. Easy peasy. You have your filter. Old one out, the new one in. Takes you 5 minutes or less. So to put them back inside, you need to start with these 2 locks that you took out. Yes. Over there, and then but
yeah.
Oh, so you need to put the lock back inside and just turn it until you hear the pop. Do the same for both sides. Turn it until you hear the pop. And then the last one would be, yeah, it's good. The last one should be this side. So we need to pull it out. You see?
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
You pull it out. Yes. And there you have it. Thank you guys for tuning in. And that's how you replace your cabin filter. So if you enjoyed the video, share, like, subscribe to this channel. Tune in for more videos. Watch the previous videos. Watch the other video on how the engine filter was replaced. And see you on the next one.
See you.